Let's try your left hand now in counterclockwise. So it's the same circle that we were making on the floor, only we go counterclockwise. And then at 12 o'clock, let's do it like we did it last time. Instead of spinning it with a circle, we'll just move the hand. The hand comes out, around, and so it comes to the left, yes. And then it comes behind your head, and then it comes around the circle, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, in toward your body. So just like the other one came into your body, only it comes in from the left, and then you go out toward the left. Come around, in from the left, and then out toward the left, and around, and up and out. So you're going up and out to the left. Yes, when you get to 12 o'clock, you come out, and then you come in when you get to 12 o'clock on the bottom. Come in toward you, yes, and then go out. And from here, you're coming from here. When you get to your 12 o'clock in front of you, you're going to come into a circle and then go back to 12 and go back up. You go up and then down, and then up, yes, and then down. You want to do one and then immediately up, and then one, and then immediate circle in front down here, and then up behind your head, and then circle in front down here, and up behind your head, and circle in front down here, up behind your head,